Hi there folks, here's the bat build that we're doing for Nathan. I know progress is very slow, but I thought I'd just do a video so that you can have a look at how far I've got with it. So there's the rudder, and so that's going to turn like that. I've just got to move the bar back here so it falls in line, so that's better. So I've just got to re-drill the slot holes in that and push that back. What we've done is we've got a nice bush made here for the prop, which is quite a nice feature. And if we look at the top, that's the bat design with the arrows on the stern, and there's here, that's going to be the condenser tank. Okay, and I'm just going to play around with this as we're going to use this as the water tank for the pump. So we'll sort that out when we get the pump. That's the centre canopy. Over here we've got the Windermere kettle, which will be a working kettle. Okay, and then just to show you, this is one of the tees that we're using for the pipe work. So, you know, we're talking like 1/12 pipe here, and that's going to be for the pressure gauges. Okay, here, this is going to be the divert valve for the pump. This was made by Fabrice at Anton's. And it's a beautiful pump. It's a double seal pump, three-way valve, sorry, and it's got a nice wheel on the top. So that's going to sort of sit inside like that, so that the wheel, I don't know if you can see that, so the wheel and the plus and minus sign on it, you'll be able to see that better there. And that'll sit inside the boat with that sticking up somewhere like that. Here, this is a really good thing that I've had made, and this is a reducer. This is reducing from 3/16 to 1/4 40 TPA, and we're going to use that on the check valve so that we can reduce to 3/32 on the check valve for the pump pipe work. It's very difficult to silver solder 3/32 from 1/4, so this is the best way to do it. So we've got a reducing male there, and then a reducing socket, and that just screws into the check valve, and that reduces it down to 3/16, which will take 3/32 pipe work. So I'm going to send one of these to Giovanni, because he's building a similar boat with the Baylis Triple. He may find that useful, so I've had quite a few of these made, so I'll send him one of those. So that's that. As you can see, that's the triple inside the canopy, and I'm playing around with gauges really, and here's a gauge that we've had some nice back flanges made for. So you know, depending on there's 3 gauges to go on a board here, and then I was playing with the idea of having an off and on switch on one of the gauges, so I might use that on the 1-inch valve with a back flange, and that's going to sort of sit if I can just do it, sit right like that. Okay, so that's that. The boiler sits there. It's slightly oversized for the hole, and that's going to be for the Kingdom boiler, which is going to be just under 5 inches diameter for the top part of the Kingdom boiler. So that's going to sit nicely, and that's going to have the same effect as the square box on the bath. So we're not going to have a square box, we're going to have the Kingdom boiler when it's ready, and that will sit there. There's the gas tank, which we can move. We can move that to the side of the boat here. So that can sit something like that. And then inside the boat, the condenser tank's going to go like that and sit there inside. And then the water tank's going to sit there like that inside the boat, so that these panels do lift out, so that it's going to be dead easy to refill the tank. Okay. And that's going to sort of sit like that. And then on the front of the boat, that's the pattern of the bow of the arrows. So if I just pull back now, you'll see that it's going to look quite super when it's finished. There's a lot of work involved, hell of a lot. But progress is slow, but we are getting there. And I think that once I've moved that skeg back a bit, that'll be fine. So you can see that it does sit nicely now, and that does turn all right. So that's easy then. So I hope you like that, and that's the bat. Hope Nathan likes what I'm doing. It's been a bit quiet at the moment, so I know he's been abroad working away, so hopefully he'll see this video and see that progress is being made, if but slowly. And many thanks for watching these videos, and if I can be of help to anybody who's building a similar boat, then please get in contact. I'm always willing to help anybody I can who's interested in building boats. Okay, thanks very much, and see you next time.